storm on Monroe. I don't like all that noise, huh, Rocky? All the lightning and thunder and hail. Just looking at the window. Big hail coming down. What the hell, Rocky? Whoa! That's some pretty good size hail. Well, lightning and thunder has been going on about half an hour. I got all my coax thrown out the window. Don't want to get a lightning strike. Man, that's big hail, man. It's flying in here. Bouncing off the solar panels. I'm sitting kind of down in a saddle, so I think I'm a little more protected from the lightning, I hope. Still got some blue sky up north. This is the incoming monsoon moisture coming out of Arizona. End of June. Got a lot of those little, those white, I think those are like snow lilies, or I'm not sure what they are. They're getting hammered. Quite a few of those have popped up. Ew, the solar panels are getting covered up. So much for getting solar today. The ground's getting white. Cooled quite a bit, from about 72 to 51 right now. Instant air conditioning. Supposed to have like 3-4 days of this thunderstorm stuff coming through. Got moisture coming up from Arizona. So it might be an interesting spot for the next 2 or 3 days. I was gonna pack up and get out of here today, so I'm glad I didn't start yanking everything down. I would have been caught in this storm, so wouldn't have got out of here today anyway. Okay, it looks like that's dying out. Panels are almost covered. All right, Northwest Hiker.